Slow cooker red Thai curry is a perfect recipe for anyone who loves the bold, fresh and spicy flavours associated with Thai cookery, but also wants the convenience of being able to bung the ingredients in the slow cooker and let it do its thing. Hi, I'm nutritionist Scott Bapty and welcome to my high protein kitchen. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a delicious red Thai curry that's found inside my 4th high protein handbook, Slow Cooker Special. We're only using a handful of ingredients that you can get down the local supermarket, which means it's super easy to prepare. The red Thai curry paste that we use in the recipe gives it some nice heat, but because it's slow cooked, it's not that intense and overpowering. Meanwhile, the coconut milk gives it a lovely rich, smooth and creamy base. It's a great recipe for cooking midweek, and this is how you do it.
First things first is to finely chop a white onion. Then you want to heat a teaspoon of coconut oil in a frying pan on a medium to high heat and add the onions and fry them for a few minutes until they start to turn golden brown and take on a lovely flavour. Then you want to add 30 grams of garlic ginger paste. Again, I'll link to the one I use in the description below, and then fry that for a further 30 to 60 seconds. Once that garlic and ginger has cooked through, tip it into the slow cooker along with the onions and 1 kilogram of chopped chicken breast, a tablespoon of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 30 grams of corn flour. And 2 tablespoons of red Thai curry paste. If you use a thinner supermarket own brand, you may need to use more to get more flavour. When it finally comes out the can, I'm using a full tin of coconut milk. Make sure it's the full fat and not the light kind, because light often splits in the slow cooker. But if you want to keep the calories down, you could use 200 ml of full fat coconut milk and 200 ml of stock. But I'm using the full can of coconut milk just for it to be a bit thicker. And yes, I know there's more calories. Then you want to cook it on low for about 4 to 5 hours and then just plate up and then give a squeeze of lime on top and garnish with some red chilies and basil. You can serve this with rice, stir-fried veg, whatever you like, but this is how you do it.
So that is it. Red Thai chicken curry done in the slow cooker, smelling delightful, looks great. Now we just need to get stuck in. So light, really fragrant. The coconut milk just gives it a delicious creaminess and a lovely richness that you don't get if you use stock, but obviously if you use stock you'll get less calories, so it's up to you. If you don't mind having the extra calories, I would use the full can of coconut milk, or if you'd rather do a lighter version, 50-50, 200 ml stock, 200 ml coconut milk, entirely up to you. The red Thai chili paste is lovely. It's spicy, but it's not overpowering. Because it's been slow cooked, a lot of the heat comes out. But you can add more heat if you want. You can put chilies in it, or you can garnish with chilies like I've done here. That gives a bit more heat. And yeah, it's just a really lovely, light and fragrant curry. So I hope you enjoy this one. As always, if you are a new viewer, please hit the subscribe button and please click like as well. It's not to boost my ego, it just means you're more likely to see these videos in the future. And if you do cook it, leave a comment below, let me know how you find it. Thanks again for watching, I'll speak to you soon.